If you're going to install a new sound pad, you want to make sure it stays up and stays in place. I highly recommend 3M Super Weather Strip Adhesive 08001. It is one of those modern miracles of science. By far one of the best glues out there. Its primary advantage is the way it requires only a minute or two of placement before it will hold things in place. It dries incredibly quickly and it is easy to use. The only drawback is overcoming the fumes, which are not healthy to ingest. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. A newly installed sound pad significantly cleans up your engine compartment. Make sure that while the glue is drying, you keep pressing the pad against the back wall. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.